Replacing some door speakers in the 2003 BMW 530i. Never done it before. I'll start out with these. Try and get the door off of there. I mean the handle. Put the window down. It's a torque screw. It was a T20 torque bit. There's another screw right here. It's hard to see, but right there. Okay, so somebody's had this door off once before. When I took the screw off, it just came out of its track. So it wasn't quite put back together properly. We'll fix that too. Put the window down. There are plastic push pins all around the rest of the three sides of the door. I'm going to use this to loosen them. Not sure what's going on there. This one's broken. So is this one. So I'm just going to take this light out to get it out of the way so I can put this panel aside. There's a little clip there. There we go. Okay. I'm just going to unplug this light. Doors open, lights on. There's a speaker. This should have been behind here. Three screws. 1, 2, another one down here somewhere. Here. Okay, so let's unhook these. Okay. So I don't know why this speaker doesn't sound too good. It looks okay, but it doesn't sound too good, so I'm going to replace it. Screws are right here. Another torque bit. This is bit number 10, T10. There it is. A little one and a big one. And it matters which way they go back on. Okay, so the larger clip on the larger receptacle. You have to get these right, otherwise the electricity will go through the speaker backwards. It's not designed to work that way. This is loose, so this clip's got to be tightened up. I'm just going to ever so slightly crimp down a little bit. Okay, now let's see if it'll go on tightly. Much better. Okay. These holes don't line up perfectly, but close enough. Just has to be secure. Okay, so now put this back. Okay, now this clip is for the screw that went through the heater duct work. It's not going to stay like that. We're going to have to take that and bend it a little bit too. Okay. Trying to do this without dropping it down inside of the door. Okay, now it's there we go. That'll stay in place so I can get the screw lined up properly. Okay, so just put these back in. Wait a second, let's go like that. Okay. So now this one's back behind this speaker box like it should be. Not sure what's going on here. Okay, so I'm going to put this door light back in. So I'll just put this end in first. See how that angle goes up to hold it. And then spring-loaded clip right here, very delicate. There we go. Now, gotta get this. Okay, now this should not be behind the door, so I gotta fix that. Okay, so this was back behind the speaker box, and I freed it back up. I do need a little more room. Okay, back to where we should be here. Now, just going to put this switch in there, this cord for the door switch. Oops. Came out the other side. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now. And I guess this will be okay the way this came apart. You can see where it sets down in this groove. That'll be alright. If I can get it in there. There we go. It went in. Okay, get the handle back on the right side. All the way in this channel. I don't think it is. I guess it is. Okay. Now the push pins, hang them so that you know they're in the hole, so they don't break when you push on them. Okay, that's good. Now we just put this screw back in and the plug, this screw, and we're done.